How many of you push off washing your car week after week until the neighborhood kids write "wash me" on the back? Whether we're experiencing our lives or have a busy job, we fail to provide a basic service to our vehicles. As an individual with 5 years of experience within the auto detailing world, I see this all too often. While consumers may neglect to wash their car, the industry is growing with a U.S. estimated market of $11.5 billion. By combining the benefit of a growing industry, yet procrastinating population, I have created the Car Geeks. Car Geeks utilize industry experience and automotive passion to provide a simple, convenient auto service wherever the customer takes us. Offering simple services such as detailing, oil changes, or battery replacements, we can reach our customer wherever they are. Our auto pop-up shops are mobile and versatile, which creates convenience to the customer, yet mobility against the competitor. While you're out at lunch or dinner eating, the Car Geeks are in the parking lot diligently cleaning your car so you have something clean and fresh smelling to pull off in.